start with it. Okay, so welcome to the magic world of Vedic mathematics, right? Yes, so we have Vishal, Dev, Sai Devash, Gagan, Hashmat, Nagarjun, Aman. Okay, so let
Yes.
others join later on. Now, very first thing, so how many of you know what is Vedic mathematics? Yes, Sai, Gagan? How many of you are
Sir, a subject
aware
of
about the term Vedic mathematics?
sir, a subject that the subject of techniques.
Okay, not to worry, not to worry. You today, I'll teach you every point of it. And so, how many of you are interested in magic?
Sir,
Sir,
I'm interested, sir.
And we
I'm
will not
interested,
have that
sir.
magician magic. Will have a magic of maths, magic of numbers, magic, the magic which will be in our curriculum, which we are doing academics. So that magic we are going to do today. Right.
Sir.
Yes. So welcome back to the magic world of
Video is the
keep yourself mute. There is a lot of disturbance from. Right. So this would be a workshop where we'd be learning the best, right? And to learn the best, we'll not only study, we'll play, we'll have fun, right? So this is maths class, but we'll have a funny class. It's not only study, study, study. It would be with the games. Okay, so let me introduce you first myself. So I am a Dr. Yogesh Chandna and I'm certified trainer for Vedic mathematics, right? Also, I have written books on Vedic mathematics by the name Learn Vedic Mathematics Step by Step. And I'm an educator for last 24 years and my function is, my job is to remove the fear of mathematics. So how many of you have fear of mathematics? Now let's, the first question. Yes, so Gagan has a fear of mathematics. Yes, Sai, you have. Okay, Sanjeev, Hashmat. Yes, so only three of you have fear of mathematics. Vishal to have fear of mathematics. You will not have today. After today, you will have. Okay, so let me ask one by one. Yes, Gagan, what makes you fear?
Like, sir, in a multiplication table, sir, I always keep forgetting them.
Okay, so up till which number you are comfortable?
Uh, till 5 am.
Till 5. So that means if I ask you a big question, writing a table of 19, then you will have a trouble. So today,
Yes, sir.
after today, you'll write down any table. Let it be 99, let it be 89, let it be 199. So you'll be able to write the same tables within 10 seconds. Right. So today this fear has gone, will be gone. Okay. Any other thing, Gagan? Any other fear? Okay. Yes, Sai Devesh.
Yes, sir.
Why do you have fear of mathematics and what makes you fear?
Sir, I do actually, sir, but I'm confused.
You get confused.
Yes, sir.
Not to worry, today I'll teach you some method of multiplication also, the fast multiplication. So you'll be able to multiply the numbers in mentally. For example, if I ask you what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11, so that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5, right? So you'll have this much of speed after today. Yes, Vishal.
Sir, multiplication after 11.
Multiplication after 11. Today we'll do the tables, so there will not be any problem in multiplication tables. So multiplication would be a very easy thing for you now, right? Yes, anyone else who wants to say something? Wants to share? Aditya, Sanjeev, anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you have fear of maths, Sanjeev?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
क्या डर लगता है? What do you fear for?
Sir, I feel little bit difficult in subtraction.
Subtraction. Okay, I'll tell you that also. And what about tables? So you are comfortable in tables?
No.
So up till which number you are comfortable in tables?
Up to 10.
9, 10. Today you will be able to write the table of 89, 99, 109. Any table you talk about, you'll be able to write after this class. Right? So happy now? If you'll be able to write this much?
Yes.
Great. Okay. So let us start with it. And now, what is the curriculum today? What we'll be learning? So very first thing, we'll be learning about the introduction to Vedic mathematics. So all those who are not aware what is Vedic mathematics, they'll be cleared with their doubts. The second thing, now I'll tell you how this subject is creating the interest in numbers. You just will play with the numbers. And when you play with the numbers, so calculations would be far easy. Yes. Second, we'll be learning the concept of fast multiplication. I told you like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. And all of you would be able to calculate that. So such a big digit number, and within seconds, you'll be able to calculate. Then we'll be learning about the tables of any numbers ending with 9. Let it be 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 89. All of these tables you can write within 10 seconds. Yes? Do you think you will be able to write? You have
Yes,
that
sir.
confidence? Yes. And thereafter, yes. Thereafter, we'll also, Hashmat, you want to say something? You can switch on.
Yes, sir.
See, you can switch on your video, because otherwise you'll not be able to understand and learn. Yes, Sanjeev, same for you. Yes. Okay. So I was saying, Sanjeev, I think your name is?
Aradhya Satyam.
Okay, Aradhya. Right. So then at the last, we'll also learn about other tables. Any table that comes to your life, any table which is asked, you can easily write down that table within seconds. Right? So let's move. Now, what is the objective? Now, see, the very first thing, what I want and what is the motive of this class. Aditya, it is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Now, the first objective is transformation from fear of maths to confidence. So all of those who have this fear, yes, we find difficult maths, not from now. Second important objective would be you should not be in need of calculators. You should forget the calculators, right? So there is no need of calculator to calculate any question in maths. Then we'll also learn how to apply this real maths into real life situations. Now, very important thing, every day we deal with money. We go to market, we deal with money. We go anywhere, we have to purchase something, or any doctor, any professional, any cobbler, anywhere you go, you have to deal with the money. So if your maths is not strong, how will you be able to calculate? So we'll make that math strong, and we'll understand how that practical situations to handle. The last will get empowered with the feeling of I can. So every one of you will have that feeling, yes, I can do maths. And if you have that feeling in your life, I can, then nothing is impossible. Right? Chalo. Let's start. So this would be a fun. Okay, now first game for everybody. What is this?
Sir, this is tic-tac-toe.
Yes, others?
Yes.
This is tic-tac-toe, sir.
Okay, so how many of you know how to play this?
I know.
Sir, I
Yes,
I
know.
know, sir.
Gagan,
Sir,
you can use chat if you're not able to speak, not an issue. So everybody is aware about the game?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you draw this?
Yes, sir.
Just remove zero and crosses. Can you draw this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Once you have done,
Draw, sir.
let me know.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
Aditya, we don't have to play game over here.
Yes, sir. I draw, sir.
Done? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So with your paper and pen, let me also draw. Correct? Now, let us write 1, 2, 3 in the same box. But the only thing is, I'm writing from rightmost corner. So I'll write in this direction. I'll start from rightmost corner, bottom. I'll move to the middle. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Have you drawn? So all of you have done. See, if you have done, you can write down in the chat box done. So it will move further.
Done, sir.
Done, sir. Sir, done.
Anyone left?
Done.
Yes, anyone left?
No, sir.
Now,
Sir.
Okay. Now, let us use this to learn something. Right? So let's use this game to learn something good. Now, everybody told that they have a fear of tables. Let's remove that table fear.
Okay, sir.
Can we write a table of 19? How many of you know the table of 19? Yes, fine. Gagan? Aradhya? Kashmat? How many of you know the table of 19? Okay. You all will know. Just wait for a second. So first thing you do is write one here also. Make it 19 complete. Done?
Yes, sir.
Second thing. Now I have to feel something here also. What I do, whatever this number is before 9. So 19 has 2 digits. So whatever digit is before 19, 9, let me add 1 to it. Make a new number. So new number is 2. Up till here, done?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Any questions? If you have any doubt, you can ask me right away. Yes, Sai, have you done up till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Gagan? Aradhya?
yes, sir.
Okay, Hashmat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what do I do? Because this was the number here, I'll add this new number to this and then corresponding all numbers. Is it easy? Now 1 plus 2 is
3.
Three.
3.
And I'll go this way now. And this way I'll end. Now 3 plus again 2. So what is 3 plus 2?
5.
Sir,
Five.
5.
Yes. Very good. 5
Sir,
plus 2.
5, sir.
5 plus 2.
7.
7.
7. 7, sir.
7 plus 2.
9.
9.
Don't write. I'll give you time to write. Don't worry. I'll give you time to write. 9. 9 plus 2. Just concentrate now. 11.
11.
Sorry, 11.
15, sir.
13 plus 2.
15, sir.
15 plus 2.
17.
Now you see, what is this?
Sir, this is the tables of 19.
Yes. So how much time we took? Hardly. See, yes, I was, because we were referring, so hardly 30 seconds. And if I have to
Sir,
write
it
on
took
own,
seconds, sir.
yes. So we'll be able to write any table with this game, in seconds. So we'll learn. So 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 4s are 76, 5s are 95, 6, 114. The only thing is you have to come this way. This, and this. 6 are 114, 7 is 133, 8 is 152, 9 is 171, and last, anything into 10, you all know it would be 190 only. So no need to write over here also.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes, fine. Any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt. It's
No
clear.
doubt, sir.
Gagan,
No doubt.
It's very clear, sir.
Aradhya,
Clear, sir.
Hashmat,
Sir, we
It's
can
very
do
clear,
any
sir.
table like this, sir.
sorry?
Sir, we can do any tables like this, sir.
No, I'll tell you. We can do any table for any number which is ending with 9. For example, 9, 19, 29, 39, 49. So 99. So in between 59, 69, 79, 89, all. Then 109 up till 999. And then even after that, 1019, any biggest number if you want, any biggest number you want. Anything, right? So any table you can write now. So anyone has any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now let's try one more and then I'll ask you to draw. So I'll give you 39 now. And then 29 you all be doing. So first see, I'll give you time. If you have not written, okay, I'll give you 1 minute, just write down this. And don't worry, you all would be getting notes. But you have to complete the homework also, so that once you are coming tomorrow, your homework is also done, your notes you have taken, and then you will be learning more tomorrow, right?
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Should we show the homework?
Sorry?
If we are doing the homework, should we show it?
Sorry, I could not get you. Yes, Rohan? You doing the homework?
Like when you tell us to do the homework, should we show it like in the video?
You can, instructions would be given. Either you can put it on the WhatsApp or on the Facebook group, from where you will be getting the homework. Not to worry.
Okay.
Don't worry. You'll be getting shared with everything.
Okay.
Okay. So coming to the next number, let's say 39. Now, when we talk about 39, first topic is same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now everybody clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now I told you write as it is, 39 done. Now I have 3 over here. So what new number would be formed?
6, sir.
How?
4.
Yes,
3,
3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Now this 4
4.
is to be added to this and then corresponding. Right? So 3 plus 4 is?
3
7.
plus 4.
7.
Gagan, you feeling difficult? 3 plus-
11.
Yes, sir.
No issue.
11.
7 plus 4, 11.
11. 15.
Then, yes, Gagan.
19. 19.
19.
23.
See, all,
So
if all of
23.
you know why all of you are not speaking, it's very easy. Yes, after 19,
23.
20,
then,
sir.
27.
then,
Sir. 27.
31.
great. Then,
35. 35.
5, sir.
so 35. And then,
30.
after 35, 39. So this is also to check, yes, I'm correct or not, if it is 39. So how many seconds you took? See, this table you wrote. So how much time you took?
Sir, 30 seconds.
And second important thing, before this class, everybody was, we cannot write table more than 10. And if somebody asked you to write table of 39, how would you have written? 39 plus 39, 78. Then again 39. Then 7, 117. So every time you were calculating with adding 39. But here what we were doing? We were just adding 4. Isn't it easy?
Yes, sir.
Isn't
Very
it?
easy,
sir.
sir.
Isn't
Very,
it
very
magic now?
easy, sir.
Isn't it magic?
Very, very easy.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now, see, if I have shown you some magic, now you also have to show me. So what is 29 table now? Fast. Let's see who comes first.
Sir, I will do, sir.
Please switch on your cameras because this doesn't look nice. Huh? We all are learning. Yes, Hashmat. Rohan. Rohan, you were late, I suppose. Aman.
Yes, sir. I have a problem with owning the camera. It's
Okay.
not working
No,
properly.
no problem, beta. No problem. Neeraj.
Sir, Vishal.
Excuse me, sir.
Done it.
Excuse me, sir.
How many of you have completed?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Vishal.
Mine is
Sir, I
done,
have
sir.
done. Sir, for a moment. Sir, 29, 58, 87, 174, 145, 116, 207, 232, 231.
Okay. Yes, others? So Aman has done other.
Just 1 second, I done, sir.
Good.
Sir, how do we do this? I had joined late, so I didn't understand.
Okay, I'll tell you, beta.
Okay.
See, I'll start with this. Now, first thing, okay, let me ask everybody, then I'll explain. You'll understand.
Okay.
Yes, who has completed now? Vishal, Sanjeev, Aradhya. Okay.
Sir, mine is done, sir.
Sir, I completed first sir.
Okay, Sai. Now, Sai, tell me one thing. Yes, Sai, are you able to see me? I'm not able to see you. This side. Okay. So before the class, you said you can write tables up till
Up to 10, ma'am. It's 10,
now,
sir.
but now you have written 29. How is
Yes,
it?
sir.
How is it possible then?
Sir, just adding 3, sir.
Okay. Yes, Gagan, you told about 5. Only 5 up till tables up till 5. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now what happened?
Now I wrote tables 29.
Within 2 minutes, you'll write off 89 also, beta. And even 109 also. See, that is why I told you welcome to the world of magics. So this is a
Yes,
magic.
sir, it's magic, sir.
Vedic maths is such a magic, and mind it, it's not something different. It is whatever you are doing in your class, an alternative method to solve that. Correct? It is very easy. It is not a different subject. But you all need this. And this year, coming year, this would be a part of our curriculum. As per our new education policy, now you have to learn this also. Right? So it is better that if we have to learn, we can learn it faster. This will help us only. Okay. So let me, for all those who are not, yes, Hashmat, have you completed?
Yes,
Aradhya?
sir.
Okay, great. So let me explain you and everybody who joined later. Rohan, particularly, see. First step is you have to make this magic table. Now, if you would have been here,
Okay.
this was not a magic table. This was a crisscross table, right? So after this, now we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So up till 9 we have to write, but make sure we have to write in this way. Right from the rightmost bottom, moving towards the middle line, and then coming towards the upper line. You need to remember this direction. Correct? See, now all of you, I'm just suggesting you just pay attention. Don't think I have to write everything. You'll be getting the notes. So pay attention on the screen. Yes, Rohan, up till here it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, I have to suppose write a table of 29. Now this method, this particular method, it is applicable whenever you have to write table of any number, any big number, not an issue. It is not 1, 2, any big number. But the condition is it should end with 9. Let us start with 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, up till 99, then 109, up till 999, then 1019, up till any big digit. Got it? And we'll do.
Okay, sir.
Now, second step. So first step is whatever this number is, write as it is. Now, point arises, what to write here? We have to fill it. Second thing. So what we do, whatever this number was, now here it is 2, like whatever number is before 9,
Yes, sir.
just add 1 to it so that a new number is generated. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3.
3.
I have to add 3 to this number, and then corresponding every number I have to add 3. So 2 plus 3 is,
Okay.
what is 2 plus 3?
5. 5.
5 plus 3?
9.
5 plus 3 is 9. Eight.
I can't hear you properly.
5 plus 3. Check with your audio, beta. My sound is proper.
Your sound is proper, sir.
8 plus 3.
Okay, now I can hear. Now I can hear.
No issues. 8 plus 3.
11.
First thing is I'm not able to see even you. Yes.
Sir, I had a problem with my video. I said.
Okay. So 11 plus 3.
14.
14 plus 3. Yes, Rohan.
17.
17.
Then 20. Then 23. Then 26. Any doubt here? See, while going up, it was like this direction. While coming down, it is reverse. This. Now, if you observe this, this is what 29 ones are 29, 29 twos are 58, 3s are 87, 4s are 116, 5s are 145, 6 is 174, 7 is 203, then 232, 261. So what is this?
Okay.
A table of 29 and you wrote it within seconds. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it.
Okay. So now let's write the table which even teachers fail. See, like before the workshop, if I ask anyone, write the table of 89, they say 5 minutes, 8 minutes. Now what do you say? How much time it should take?
Seconds.
4 seconds.
So let's write.
3
Okay,
seconds.
you try. First you write for 89, if then I'll help you out. Okay, please write.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, who has a question? Yes, Sai, you have any question?
no, sir. I just okay, sir.
Good. So first step is, if it is 89, 8 over here.
Should I add 1 to 8, sir?
Yes. So that is 9 will be
Yeah,
a number. So 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 9, 35. 35 plus 9, 44. 44 plus 9, 53. 53 plus 9, 64. 71, 80. What is this? A table of 89. So how many of you are clear now? Any doubts? Yes, Sai, Gagan, Aradhya, sorry.
No doubt, sir. All clear.
No doubt, sir.
Very good. Done? Should we move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you might be thinking it is only for 2-digit numbers. No. Even 3 digits. Let's solve one. Then as per your requirement, you can try at home, right? Now, if it is 109, what I have to do? Yes, tell me. If anyone.
Yes, sir. We need to add 1 to
1, 2. Yes.
10.
We need
10,
to add
sir.
1 to 10. And that will become 11. So first step is same. So 10 plus 11 is 21. 21 plus 11 is 32. 32 plus 11 is 43. 43 plus 11 is 54. 54 plus 11 is 65. Plus 11 is
77.
plus 7, 87. Plus 11 is 98. Plus 11 is 109. So, is it really difficult?
Yes, sir.
So now, yes,
Very easy, sir.
now Sai, the same question. Up till which number you can write down the tables?
Nine.
Sir, maybe till
Yes, any
One
table.
thou-
Any table. No, why should that confidence? See, what I told you, first thing, transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. Now, how many of you have still the fear of tables, at least?
Sir, I didn't have the fear of table, sir.
Yes,
since we can do so easily.
very good. So
Yes,
that is
sir, it's not very, very easy.
we'll see, this is one part. This is only tables of all those numbers which are ending with 9. Apart from this, also we have to do, na? Yes, anybody has any doubt in this topic now?
No doubt, sir.
Yes. So I'll be sharing you the homework to your sir. He'll be sharing you through WhatsApp, right? Yes, Nagarjun sir?
Yes, sir. I will share it.
है ना? So I'll share.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, anything you want to add, Nagarjun sir?
No, nothing, sir. It is very good session.
Okay, sir. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, any doubt? No one has any doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
No doubt.
sir. 0 doubts for me, sir.
Sorry?
0 doubts.
Okay, great. Let's move further now. So this was, now let me tell you the topic at least. What was the topic we started? Because we started with the game. So the topic was writing tables of numbers ending with 9. Correct? So this was the concept. This was a topic. So any table now you can write.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have a test for you.
19, 20, 39.
Anything. Okay. If it is only 9, then what you'll add?
Sir, I will not do adding only, sir. 9 table again.
Yes.
So,
9 table, I know, sir.
we will put the 0 on the front of 9, and sir,
Correct.
0 plus 1 is 1.
Yes.
Then
Got
sir,
it.
0 plus 1 is 1, then 18.
See,
And 18 plus 1 is
yes,
27.
yes,
And
thank
sir,
you. Yes, Aman. See, now you understood. Don't say I know 9. When we are doing, when we are learning some concept, we should be clear with the points. When it comes this way, only 9. When it comes to only 9. So now we want to have something before it. If we don't have, let us place
we
0.
have to put the 0 in the
So
the 9.
add 1 to it. So initially here it is 0, then adding 1 means 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now is it done?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No
sir.
doubts.
No more doubts, sir.
Chalo. So let's come to the second topic of the workshop. And the second topic is writing any table. Any 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, and further if you want. So writing a table of any digit number. Now I have a question. How much time you need to write a table of, okay, let's say 18, 19 I showed you. Or let's say 12. Yes, Sai, how much time you need to write a table of 12?
3 4
Aradhya,
minutes.
Gagan,
1 minute.
how will you write? Gagan, please tell us. Yes, Vishal, you're not speaking anything. How much time you need to write 12?
Sir, it will be about 2-3 minutes. Sir.
Okay. How do you write? Can you tell me? Okay. See, this is when you are learning. First thing I told you initially only, it is not a webinar. I will not speak, you will listen. Then you will not gain anything. So it is a workshop.
I send this note.
Anything,
So you have told me.
you can discuss anything regarding your maths. So, see, when you are writing a table of 12, what do you do? 12 ones are 12, I know. But what do you do at the back of your mind? 12. Then you add 12, 24. Then you add 12, 36. Then you add 12, 48. Yes, this is what you do? Or something different? Yes, Sai.
Yes, sir.
This is how you do or what you do?
Yes, sir. I will do this only, sir.
Gagan, what about you?
Yes, sir. Me too, same.
Okay. Yes, Hashmat, Sakina. Yes.
Sir, I do another method, sir.
Please tell.
Sir, can I show that by writing it?
Okay. In the meantime, Vishal. Yes, Aradhya.
Write the 2 table at the corner, sir. I will, if there is a 2 digit on it, I will add that to the 1, sir.
Okay. Yes, great. So who taught you?
Sir?
Who taught you? This was not taught in the class. So who taught you? It's good. You're not wrong. It is good. Who taught you? That's what I'm asking. Others don't know and you know. Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
I taught it myself, sir.
Okay, now let me teach you everything.
sir, actually, I do have another methods. I'll use these 2 methods. By
Okay.
adding 4 and adding.
So very first thing, when you have 2 digits, see, we should always remember, let's take it as a unit place and let's call it as a tens place. And one basic rule one has to remember, you can have only 1 digit at one place value. Only if it is on the leftmost part, we generally ignore it. Second thing, now write the tables separately. Right, 16, then 18, then 20. Okay, I'll write here 18, 20 also. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I told you this is unit place, this is tens place. Now 1 digit at unit, 1 at this, so no problem. So without doing any calculation, you just wrote this. You can write this simply, just bringing the digits together. Bringing the digits together, no addition, nothing at all. How easy it is. First 4 steps, nothing has been done. Now comes a problem. Now you at unit place, you have 2 digits. So can we have 2 digits at unit place? No.
Sir, we
Yes,
can
sir.
add that to this 1 digit
So
place, sir.
0 would be
So you
here.
have to add the 1 over the 5.
1 will move
Then sir,
towards the higher
sir,
side,
yes,
towards
sir.
the left side. So that 1 will go and add up. That will become 6.
60.
So now think.
60.
Now just think over it. adding 48 plus 12 is easy, but adding 5 to 1 is easy.
Adding 5 to 1.
So why
Is
don't we,
6.
so why don't we practice this? Why don't we are not taught this easy methods? Why we are struggling in tables? See, if we would have done this method, we would have never struggled. Similarly, 2, 6 plus 1 give me 7. So the chances of your, see why we make certain silly mistakes, because every time adding, it will give every time carryover. Here, no carryovers.
Sir, I used this method only, sir.
Easy,
Very
sir.
good.
Four level.
Isn't it easy now?
Yes, sir.
Any table,
Yes, sir.
any bigger number. See, this was just 12. If
Sir,
even
we can do 13.
anything, you can do 13. First, I'll tell you some numbers, bigger also. Now, let's see, 89. Sorry, 87, 89, we have already done. Now, 87 also, what is there? 14, 21. Let's do up till 5 levels only right now. Again, the same process.
So can I write on the screen?
Right. So this will move here. So 17, 4, 1, 26, 8. See, without any bigger calculation, what you are doing, you're just adding the corresponding numbers. How simplified. You know, your big calculations have been removed. Otherwise, we were doing 87, add 87. Now, when we are adding this, basically, we are having carryover. Right. Again, adding, again, carryover. So every time there was a carryover, but here, no carryover required. So this is one major advantage of Vedic mathematics, that multiple carryovers are removed. One person, somebody told me, I think Gagan, no. Vishal, I think, that subtraction, he has a fear in subtraction. Why? See, there is number of times borrow. But I'll tell you one thing, we don't have a system of borrow in Vedic mathematics. It's so simple. Only one line answer is there, all from 9 and last from 10, and every subtraction is done. Right? Chalo.
Sir, I didn't tell.
Okay, किसी ने बोला होगा. Subtraction किसने बोला था? Who said there is a difficulty in subtraction? Okay. No issues. So yes, Vishal, are you getting the things? Or any
Sir,
doubts?
it's very nice.
Very nice. Thank you. Okay. So now, again, I'll say it is not only 2 digits. Any big digit also can work on it. What? For example, now, okay, so everybody write the table of 13 with the help of this. Yes, you'll be able to do?
Yes, sir.
Great. We'll just wait.
Sir, I got it.
Very good.
The table of 13 is 13 was the 13 to the 26, 13 to the 39, 13 4 the 13 4 the 52, 13 5 the 65, 13 6 the 98, 13 sevens are 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 117, 13 tens are 130.
Yes. Others?
Just a second, sir.
Sir, finished, sir.
Sir, 13, 26, 39, 52, 65, 78, 104, 1. Sir, 104.
Okay. Yes, Rohan.
Sir, I have done.
Rohan,
Yes, sir.
have you done?
Sir, I know, sir. Little bit more.
Did you get the concept, or the concept is not clear?
Yes, sir.
I-
It's clear.
sir.
I'm looking at it.
Sir, I got the concept, sir.
Very good. Yes, Gagan, Hashmat.
Yes,
Finished, sir.
easy.
Very easy. Very good. See, maths is easy. I don't know why you have fear of maths. Actually, maths is easy. So, from today, you should not have fear of maths. Yes, Aditya, you raised the hand.
No, sir, it suddenly opened. My phone is hanging.
No issues. No issues with that.
Now I'm done.
Yes, anyone left? Vishal?
I did.
Sir, no doubt, sir. Clear.
Very good. So see, not even 2-digit numbers. Let's take any 3-digit number, bigger number. Let's take, yes, you tell me any 3-digit number, any bigger number.
132.
That is a small number. Yes, Gagan, sign.
199.
9 we can do easily with that also. So let's take a tougher number, 987. Yes? Now see.
Yes.
Now, if this question was asked to you before the workshop, you all must have said, leave it, we cannot do. Yes? But now you can. So 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, and 35. Let's do up till 5 digits first. 5 levels, sorry. 16, 24, 32, 40, 18, 27, 36, 45. Now see, first is again the same thing. 1 digit, 1 place, everything clear. 987 done. Second, now 4 is perfect, 1 digit. So 1 will move here. Now what does this becomes? 17. Again, you can have only 1 digit. So 7 will be here. 1 will further move. So 18 plus 1, 19. See how easy it is? 1, 6, 29, 8, 4, 39,
So the table, sir, the table of 997.
5, 3, 49. Yes, anyone has any doubt now?
No.
Yes, fine.
तो ठीक है अच्छा कौन सी मुर्गी
Yes.
आगे आज छोटी मुर्गी
Yes, Sai. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Aradhya,
पढ़ा
Aman, Gagan,
Clear, sir.
Vishal,
Clear, sir.
Hashmat,
Clear, sir.
Sai,
Yes, sir.
clear or still any doubt?
No more doubts, sir. It's very, very easy and clear.
Very good.
This is
Should
really
be.
magic, sir.
So that was the reason I told you initially, welcome to the magical world. I
Yes,
told
sir.
you. So that was the reason I told. Correct?
Okay.
Yes. Anyone else? Any doubt? Okay. So let's
No
move.
more doubts, sir, for me.
Very good. So this was the tables. Now, I don't think after this,
But I have also no doubt from now.
I don't think after this you'll have any fear of tables at least. So
No
tables,
more, sir. No more fear of tables.
yes. So that should be there. Okay, so let's come back to our presentation part. So yes, Rohan, we started with this thing, this game. So this
Yes,
was my
sir.
question. We started with this game. What was that?
Okay.
And then we started learning also, right?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
okay, sir.
This was a, so this notes you'll be made available. You'll be given the notes so that all doubts, if any left,
Sir, this will come to WhatsApp, sir. Homework.
you have to download it from the Facebook group,
Okay, sir.
right? But it will be mentioned.
Sir, name, sir, actually.
We'll
I
send
don't
it.
know.
We'll send it, Vita. Don't worry.
After we do, should we send it somewhere?
Yes, you should. Then only you'll, once you'll practice, then only you'll be learning something.
Okay.
Okay. Now, so do you believe that this is magic?
Yes, sir.
So now you should know who is the man behind this magic. So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
he is none other than Jagat Guru Swami Bharti Krishna Tirath Ji, right? He's known as father of Vedic mathematics, and he was a Shankaracharya of Govardhan Peeth. Now Govardhan Peeth is in Puri, Jagannath Puri, that is in Odisha. So please write down the name Jagat Guru Swami Bharti Krishna Tirath Ji. He's known as father of Vedic mathematics, and we all should know it because of this man we are today enjoying the magic. We are today
Yes, sir.
having a transformation, right? Please write down. Or take a screenshot.
No, sir, I'm writing, sir.
Great.
Sir, I have taken the screenshot.
Very good.
I am writing.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now today, when you'll go back, everybody would be asking, where were you? And you'll say, I attended a Vedic mathematics classes. Now the question he'll be asking you, what is Vedic mathematics? So yes, do you know what is Vedic mathematics now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you tell?
Sir, Vedic mathematics is a collection of methods which can make a maths really easy.
Very good. Very good. Yes, Devansh.
Yes, sir.
See, even if he has read, don't laugh at that, but still he's trying. And yes, it is. Okay, let me tell you. It is a collection of techniques, the concepts. And in maths, we call it as formulas. So it is a collection of techniques or formulas, or what we call in Sanskrit is sutras, or in Vedic maths, we call it as sutras. So it is a collection of techniques, sutras, or formulas, which helps to make our mathematics easy and faster. What makes our maths easy and faster, that is known as Vedic maths. Got it? Yes, everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Whatever
Yes, sir.
problem you have, few of you might be in class 6. So in class 6, LCM is a big problem. Today I was going through a question papers of Sainik School, 6th standard. Their LCM, around 5 to 6 questions have been asked in the entrance was just LCM only, out of 50. So see the weightage. And it's very difficult to solve it by the normal method if somebody asks you to find a LCM of 3 or 4 numbers. But with this, it is just a few seconds away. Now, what does Vedic maths has? How many formulas we have to remember? So it's only 16 formulas, or what we call it as sutras, and 13 sub-sutras. And with the help of these 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, we can solve any problems in your arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, conics, calculus, quadratic equations, polynomial equations, and even organic chemistry. Yes, got it? So even you can take this screenshot of the definition, or simply remember what makes our maths easy and faster, that is known as Vedic maths. Got it? Yes,
Yes, sir.
any doubt now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now all of you might have one question in your mind. We are not having this subject in our school curriculum. So why are sir asked to attend this class? So how many of you have this question? Yes, Sai?
Sir, I didn't have this question actually.
Okay. But still it comes into mind. Why should we learn it when we don't have to give the exam?
Sir, Vedic maths is better.
Okay. Yes, Gagan, Hashmat, what about you?
Yes, I had a doubt why Vedic mathematics, sir. Then my mother told me that it helps us to do problems faster.
That yes. So no, let me clear that doubt also, because tomorrow when you tell your friends that I had attended a workshop, they'll say, why you wasted time? It is not a part of our curriculum. We don't have to do it. So let me tell you one thing now. It would be added in the curriculum in the coming year, because it has been already done from the central government. So National Education Policy 2020, as per that, it is already done. Only due to COVID, it is a bit delayed. Second
Sir,
thing,
in 2022 it will come, sir.
now see, we are already going in 2021. So it was supposed to be launched last year, but it is being launched now. Correct? Now, important thing is, so they all have to do, even you have to do in the next year. So what is better if you learn at the early stage, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So very first thing is that doubt in everybody's mind, ki no, we are not learning as it is. Second thing, now we'll come to the advantages. Yes, somebody said it helps to solve your maths faster. You are absolutely correct. It helps to solve our mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. All of you have now seen in tables also. Now writing a table of 12 with the adding, it would have taken 3 to 4 minutes, but this way it takes hardly any seconds. Or a table of 89. You might have taken 10 minutes before this session, but now it is taking 20 seconds for you. And with practice, it will go to 10 seconds only. So how much time? It is more than 60 times faster. Yes, got it? Now,
sir.
So,
yes, please.
we told it, yes, sir.
Okay, now, my question is, why does it happen? Why your mathematical speed increases?
Because a group of methods.
Okay, so a group of methods we have in maths also. So why our speed is not fast in that? Yes, Hashmat?
Because that is not on a simple way, sir. We are writing that by step by step.
Because the mathematics method is difficult, and so Vedic mathematics is a lot of techniques that make our problems easy.
Perfect. Now I'll tell you the scientific reason. I'll tell you the reasons why our speed gets increased. Now, how do you write? Left to right? Yes, Devansh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How do you read? Left to right?
Yes, sir.
But when I ask you to solve maths, you start from right to left. First unit place, then tens place, then 100 place. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the reason why your maths is slow. Now just you are sitting at your home. Just see in front of you. There might be a cupboard, anything. If you
Yes.
are able to check, you will see things placed on left hand side are visible first and things placed on right hand side are visible after that. It's just fraction of seconds, but it matters a lot. So now in Vedic mathematics, you can do both the things together, either left to right or right to left. And that is the reason why your speed increases. We'll do that. We'll have this in 5 minutes. We'll learn this also trick. Second reason behind it. Now, when we are doing, okay, let me ask you a simple question. What is 67 into 22? So what you will do, you'll write 67 and then you'll write down 22 and you'll start calculating. Correct? Yes, this is how we do. But
Yes, sir.
in maths, in Vedic maths, we don't do this way. You'll see how you'll do. I won't answer right now. But basically, you will observe the things. That means you'll visualize the things and then you will find a reason behind it and then apply a proper logic. So your visual ability, your reasoning skills, and your logics, all three become stronger when you are using Vedic mathematics. And these three things, they are not useful only in Vedic maths or maths. They are life-changing process. Whenever you come across any situation in life, any problem, any situation, you'll first visualize that problem. Then you'll try to find a reason behind that, and then you'll apply logic. This is a reason why your speed gets increased. Third thing. Now, when you were doing tables, if otherwise you would have written 89 table, you would have used so much rough work. But now you were doing it mentally, no rough work was done. Because it was simple. So when we are doing calculation with Vedic maths, there is no need or very less need of external objects. Neither paper is required, neither pen is required. And when you don't need external things, you are independently doing something. And when you are independently doing something, you are able to complete it fast. Ask your mom, everybody, Whenever your maid is absent, she is able to complete the household activities much faster. Or if you have to write your exam on your own, you write it faster. But if you have to copy it, you take more time. Or the homework. So whenever you're doing something independently, that is much faster. Correct? Fourth reason. Now, when you do with Vedic maths, some of the calculations are in your mind because you are calculating, keeping something in your mind. That is in keeping something in your intellective that activates right brain and left brain. Now, left brain activation means logic strong. Right brain activation means your creative part is going strong. So when you are using Vedic maths, your left brain and right brain both are active. And this is the major reason why your concentration level increases. Correct? So these are the scientific reasons behind your increase in speed. Now I'll show you your speed, how it increases within seconds. Just see about it. So let's take out our paper and pen again and let's start calculating. Now my topic is, I'll give you the topic this time first. Multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Right. Now, if you have, everybody knows table of 11. 11 ones are 11.
Yes, sir.
11 is such a brilliant number, such a magical number. Any number, if multiplied with 11, it repeats itself. That's all.
11 3 are 33, 4 are
44, 55, 66 like that.
Done. So everybody
11
knows
8
this
88,
thing.
11 9
So let's now learn a more magic. So more magic is, if 23 is multiplied by 11, what happens? Yes. Yes, Gagan, Sai, Hashmat, Vishal, Aradhya. Yawning. नींद आ गई गगन? Yes, Gagan. Rohan. Okay.
Yes, sir. It takes some time, but we can do it.
No, it will not take time. Listen now. First digit as it is.
253.
Second,
253.
second time, add these two digits. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then place this digit as it is.
253.
Yes, Sai. Got it? Gagan, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See again.
Yes, sir.
34 into 11. So 3 as it is. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 as it is. 374. 45 into 11. 4 as it is. 9, 5. How fast? Not even 1 second.
Yes, sir. 1 millisecond.
Yes, sir. It's very fast.
Okay, you calculate now. What is 36? Yes, everybody. No need of paper pen, just verbal. Yes, Gagan. Sai,
396, sir.
396.
be fast. That's what I'm saying. We have to be fast
396.
now.
396, sir.
Okay, 44.
So 44.
Hashmat,
484. 484.
no need to speak like 400, 200. 484. It would be more faster.
484.
It would be more
Yes, sir.
faster. Right?
484. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
63.
693.
69.
72.
792.
Then 81. Give me 1 minute.
891.
891. 91, sir.
8 wait. Hello. Hello, Virat.
Sir, it's 891.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Came.
So everybody, now tell me one thing, one simple thing. Can you calculate this? Okay, we'll have more sums than we'll say. Now, what is 36 into 11?
So, 3, 9, 6.
396.
What is 37 into 11 now?
Please,
Excuse me.
sir, kind
Sorry, come again. There is some traffic noise from somebody's end. Please switch off. Oh, the person who is getting this noise, please switch off. Yes, 37. Okay, this is the first question. See, up till now, whatever we did, there was no carryover. For the first time, we'll be having carryover. So let me tell you. First 3 as it is, 7 as it is, last. Now I have to fill this in between. So in between what comes? 3 plus 7 is 10.
10.
So why you get worried? I told you one concept. What was the concept? Only one digit at one position. See, 2 people cannot sit on one chair. So how 2 digits can sit at one position? So move it. 407. Now clear?
407, sir.
Got it? Yes, Aradhya,
Sir.
Sai, Gagan, Vishal, Hashmat, anyone
Got
has
it,
a doubt, ask me. Okay. So see another. 46 into 11. 4.
46 into 11.
4, 10, 6. So that means 506. Clear?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Any doubt if you have?
No, sir.
no, sir.
Very good. So let's, very good batch. 47 into 11.
47 into 11. So, 1.
507.
507.
7.
507.
5.
07.
507. 507.
This means all of you are copying. Now, Sai, 4. What is 4 plus 7? Is it 10? It is 11.
11.
So it would be 517. How 507? Yes, Sai. Gagan, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Now, what was your answer? Hmm. 507 or 517?
517.
517.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Think again. Any doubt if?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's move further. A tough one. Chalo, first easy. 83 into 11.
913, sir. 913.
Okay. Yes, Sai. Vishal.
So,
Yes, Vishal. What is the answer?
913.
Very good. $89.
7. Sir, it's 979.
Very good. Acha, tell me now, Gagan, one thing.
Yes,
Now
sir.
now you need calculator.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not at all.
No
We are
need of
just-
calculator, sir. Calculator.
Yes.
So who needs calculator now?
No one.
Yes, Vishal, Aradhya, Hashmat, Aman.
No one, sir.
Kiran.
No need of calculator.
No need of
Calculators, sir.
No one needs a calculator if we
Sir,
done-
someone told we want calculator.
Sir, yes.
Someone told, sir.
Okay. So what is the largest two-digit number?
So 99.
99.
So multiply 99 with 11. Fuck.
Okay, sir. Wait. Just 1 minute.
Sir. So 1089.
10.
So 1089.
Sir, 1089.
Okay.
Sir, 108.
1089.
Sir, sir.
Okay. So everybody got 1089? Okay, I'll show. If somebody is 9, 18, 9. So this goes here. So 1089.
Yes, sir.
Now, so any doubt in numbers 1 to 99 multiplied
sir.
by 7
No doubt, sir.
and 100 everybody knows. So that is not to be taught. Yes. So one digit number, a two-digit number done. Let's start with any doubt now.
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
I
sir.
didn't have no doubts.
Let's have a three-digit number 1, 2, 3 into 11. Just try to understand. Don't write. First understand, then you can write down. I'll give you time.
मुझे मंजिल मिले या ना मिले
So first digit as it is. Now what is the first pair? 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 makes
3, sir.
3.
3.
second pair is 2 and 3. What does that give? 5.
5.
Sir.
And this as it is. So what is the answer?
1353.
Any doubt now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Very good class. 2, 3, 4. Please multiply with 11.
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
2, 3, 4. Multiply with 5. Okay,
2,
sir.
5, 7, 4. Sir, 2, 5, 7, 4.
Who gave this answer?
That's not second answer.
Asmat, very good. Very good. Yes, Gagan, you're not giving. What happened, beta? समझ नहीं आया गगन?
Yes, sir. It's 257.
2574.
अच्छा
Sir,
गगन
I got the answer 2574.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा एक चीज पूछूं. It's around 1 hour 30 minutes. So how many of you got bored?
No one, sir.
Because we'll take another 15 minutes.
Sir, I don't even know that it was right now 7:30, sir. I didn't even know that.
Good. See, this is what concentration. You all think that we cannot concentrate. We are weak in this, weak in that. It is nothing like that. Whenever you will enjoy your education, whenever you will start enjoying solving, then you will never get time to think over it. And then your concentration level will automatically increase. Acha, when you are calculating this multiplication with 11 so fastly, are you not feeling something positive inside? Are you, that vibes of happiness, joy, they are not moving inside? The butterfly.
Like, sir, it's like we are doing these kind of multiplications in our age only, sir.
So that is what. Okay. Let's have now bigger numbers. 287 into 11. Yes. What is the answer?
Two, 8, 7 into 11.
Sorry.
Sir,
Yes. Hmm.
3157.
3157.
3157, sir, I told you.
Yes, sir.
So how many of you
Sir,
got this
3157.
answer?
3
Sir,
1.
I got, sir.
I got, sir.
So easy it is now. 2, 10, 15, 7.
10.
So 3157. So easy. You have done it.
Sir, give another big number, sir.
We'll go stepwise. Don't worry. 386 into 11. Yes. What happened? 3, 11, 14, 6. So 3, sorry,
4,
4,
4 to
4 to 4, 6.
4 to 4, 6. Yes,
Sir,
sir,
I
correct.
didn't saw only, sir. You give 386 into 11. I didn't saw.
Why?
Actually, my screen is become like this big, sir. So only till 3157 it came, sir.
Okay.
After when I'm scrolling down, it came 38.
So again, the biggest 3-digit number is 999. Let's solve this also. So what is 999 into 11?
So, sir, I got the answer.
Yes, tell me.
10989.
Yes, others? Gagan.
Sir, it's 1 0.
So why don't you solve it, Gagan?
I'm still solving it.
Okay, Vishal. Rohan.
Sir, 1098.
Very good. See, 9,
Yes, sir, same answer.
18, 18, 9. So 1, 0, 9, 8, 9.
8, 9.
Okay. So let's go for 4-digit number also. 1, 2. Nothing is impossible. See, till now you might have not done 4-digit number multiplication in your school, but here it is so easy. 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 4 7, 4. And today when you go back, just talk to your friends, say, do you know what is 1 2 3 4 5? Add this and say 1 3 5 7 9 5. That speed should be there. Got it? Okay. Is it clear up till here? 4 digits?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, solve one question, 4 digit. 2 4 3 2. Solve it.
Sir. Sir, I got the answer.
Yes.
26752. Sir, correct or not, sir? I did correct.
26752. How many of you got this answer?
Sir, it's 26752, sir.
I got
Can I get these answers?
Anyone has a doubt?
No, sir.
Last one.
7 8 7 6 into 11. See, tomorrow I'll teach you one very great method, very big method, how to verify your answers. Now in exams, what problem you face is you don't know whether you are correct or not. So I'll give you a very simple concept with the help of which you can check your answers whether it is correct or not. So once you know that, you'll be able to clear more easily. And if you are appearing for any entrance exam, then you can solve those questions without solving actually. I'll tell you. So that method we'll teach tomorrow. Yes, 7876.
8663936.
Yes, others. Eight six six.
36.
Okay, Hashmat did it. Yes, good, very good, beta. Yes, Vishal. विशाल इधर देखो.
Sir, I got.
क्या आया आंसर बेटा? बंद क्यों कर देते हो बताओ?
Sir, it's 86636. Sir, I got, sir.
Same.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Any doubt, Vishal?
Yes, sir.
Sai, Gagan,
No, sir.
anyone
No,
has
sir.
any doubt now?
No, sir.
The doubt should not be there. Okay. So
Sir,
last
got 4-digit number.
last. So largest 4-digit number. See,
Nine,
I'm-
nine, nine, nine.
999.
this way you learn two things. One is you remember what is the largest number, and then you, if you know the to calculate the largest, then inner numbers you can easily calculate. Okay, do it.
Sir, 108999.
108.
99.
That's all.
Sir, one more 9.
Yes.
9, sir.
One more 9.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. One more. No.
Sir,
1089 or 1099989? Let me. I know you might have been exhausted, but before going, we'll have small test again. Correct. So this will go here. It becomes 9. This comes here 9. This comes here 9. And this is 8. So 109989. Got it? Yes, everybody.
yes,
Sir.
Now,
sir.
now this answer was not correct for everybody, did not do it correctly. I can get it. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last, don't get worried. Then you can practice later on. So why I want this to know, you should be prompt enough. Now this, see this, in this, there is no carryover. So you can easily remember. Mentally, you can say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. See, can you do this mentally? Try.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir, we can do it.
Okay. Now, what did you realize? What was the topic? Okay, let's come to that point. What was the topic?
Multiplications with 11 and its multiples.
Okay. And when did you multiply? Where did you multiply? Did we anytime multiply?
No, sir.
That is the magic. See, the question was multiplication, but we were not multiplying. What we were doing?
Addition only, sir.
Addition, that too, it is not simultaneous addition. It was addition or adding of corresponding digits. See, there is a difference when you talk about when you were in class second or third, you were taught the first topic in multiplication is taught 2 into 5 is 10. At that time, nobody understand multiplication. So teachers teach, take 2 5 times. But here we have not taken 5 times also. We have just added the corresponding digits. So that is the beauty of Vedic mathematics. Second thing, you realize one thing, we were all calculating from left to right. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So till today, have you ever done maths from left to right?
No, sir.
So
Oh,
Yes, sir.
that was one reason why your speed increased. I told you initially only, whenever we'll be doing left to right, our speed would be increased because our brain is equipped like this. Every moment, every time we are learning, we are reading from left to right, and only in maths we used to do right to left. Any doubts now?
no, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
There are no doubts, sir.
Then be ready for the exam. What is 67 into 22? Yes. Anyone? I'll give you one hint. See, now you have to visualize. You don't have to write 67, 22. No. What is this? Is it not related to 11? So 67 into 2 into 11. Do it mentally. 1, 3, 4 into 11. So what is that? 1, 4, 7, 4. Done. Got it? So this way you have to do it now. Okay. So let's come back to our. So first thing, why Vedic mathematics? Because it helps to solve our mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Now, all of you agree or not?
Yes, sir, we agree.
Yes, sir.
We agree that.
So this all notes you'll be getting, you can check it and you'll be able to find. So important observations were we were adding corresponding digits and not multiplying, and that is the biggest thing. Second, why Vedic mathematics? Because it reduces burden. Now, so many of you were having a burden of tables. Now, do you have the burden of tables?
Not at all, sir.
Vedic maths has reduced that burden also. In the first class itself, burden of tables is removed. See, this is a very big achievement. Got it? Third, it reduced scratch work in maths. See, when we were multiplying 5-digit with 11, then also we were not using any rough work because the calculation are so simple. If you remember the definition, it makes your maths easy and faster. So does it makes your maths easy and faster?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Done. So when it is easy, why do we need scratch work or rough work? Gone.
Yes, sir.
It also reduces your finger counting. You don't need to add on fingers. It increases concentration. Now, I told you very initially. See, now you have more visual ability. You have more reasoning powers. You have more logics. Your left brain is working. Your right brain is working. Your speed has increased. And the very best thing is you start feeling positive from inside. There are some positive vibes moving because you are able to do the same task. See, maths is not tough, but for the same topic, for the same tables, you were taking so much of time. If earlier you were taking 10 minutes and now 10 seconds. So that means 600 times faster you're going, or 60 times faster you're going. So you feel positive. And once you start feeling positive, that gives you more concentration levels. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So no silly mistakes. I told you why silly mistakes are reduced. Because no multiple carryovers. Even in 5-digit number, we are not having carryovers. And
Yes.
I told in subtraction, no borrow. So that's why our silly mistakes are removed. Now, any disadvantages?
No, sir.
There are.
No,
There are.
No, sir.
There are. What you will do with your calculators now? So
I will not use calculator only, sir. From now onwards.
Sir, we'll throw them.
so you may not like your calculators anymore, and your friends would be jealous because now your calculation speed will become much faster, right? And so in the coming exam, you'll feel the difference. All those students who have done Vedic mathematics, their examinations, they are able to do it more faster, more easier. So any doubts you have, you are most welcome tomorrow with the doubts, correct? And if you want to reach to me, Nagarjun sir is there. Otherwise, my number is also given. You can jot it down. And we'll share you homework after this workshop. So anything you have in your mind now?
No, sir.
Any
No,
doubts?
sir. No doubt, sir.
Sure. So we'll meet tomorrow at 6 p.m. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
for the
sir.
class, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.